morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to another vlog from me and my matcha, iced matcha again today. But today is the first unofficial moving vlog. Unofficial because it's still 2.5 weeks until I get the keys, until I actually can move in, till my move-in date. And I just want to start packing things up and like getting ready to go because the next few weeks are actually super busy for me. I have like a wedding coming up. I'm at my parents' again for a few days. I'm just all over the place, work events. So much is going on in the next 2.5 weeks before I move that like I want to get things packed up and ready to go, or at least like most of the things that I can, so that there's not too much to do right like the few days before, if you know what I mean. I've never had this much stuff to move. When I moved into this place that I'm in right now, I probably didn't have like half of the stuff that I do. I didn't have any furniture, I didn't have anything. It was a really easy move. We did it in like 3 trips in my car. It was great. But we are renting a U-Haul for this move, and like I'm just like looking around my bedroom even, and I'm like, I don't even know where to start. But so today I'm gonna start packing. I feel like this is probably gonna be a few days in my life, just the next few days, trying to pack things up and like get some things situated. I still haven't actually bought any boxes or any packing materials. I'm just trying to reuse all of the like boxes that I've got from PR, or like other boxes that I had and like other packaging materials that I had. We're just gonna try and use that up first before I go and like buy anything. So that is kind of the plan for today and for the next few days, is just to try and get things in boxes as much as I can and pack things up. I honestly don't really know where to start. I think we're probably gonna try and go through sweaters. I think I'm gonna try and get my like winter coats and stuff into boxes, all of the dishes that I don't need, all of the like skincare products and bathroom stuff that can be put away that I don't need, any books that I'm not going to be reading over the next few weeks, like random stuff that like I'm not going to need that can go into boxes for now. That is kind of my thought process. I'm like, you can probably see I'm a little bit jumbled. I'm like, I don't even know where to start because I've never done a move this big, and I'm still like trying to get rid of stuff and like minimalize my stuff. And so yeah, anyways, let's just get started. I think we're gonna go into my office and start packing up like all of my winter coats and see if I can fit them all into one big box. First things first, we need some tunes. So I have coats on a clothing rack in here. I have coats all in back there. I have this decently large box, and we are gonna try and fit as many coats as I can into that box.
So easy if you only give me a sign.
First update, I have 2 boxes filled with coats, and I got most of my coats in there. There's only like 3 or 4 left that I'll have to figure out where to put those. We got 2 boxes, first 2 packing boxes done. So I'm gonna move these probably into the living room because the living room is stuff that isn't coming with me because it's not mine. So I'm just gonna start packing and moving all the boxes into there. I'm gonna leave the coats for now because I want to move on to all the dishes and stuff that I don't need. I'm only gonna keep like 1 or 2 plates or bowls out because I hand wash all my dishes anyways, so it's fine. And also the mug collection is going to get packed away. I'll probably keep out 2 mugs just to rotate through while I'm still here. And then like anything, like I said, probably like 1 or 2 bowls, try and put away most of my containers. Yeah, just start packing up. I have 2 boxes that I've set aside for my dishware and glassware, so we'll start with that stuff.
You seem so unique and so hard to find. So if you wanna be with me, let you know that I don't mind. Every time I see you and you grip me with a smile, I can't help the feeling I keep falling every time. Keep falling every time. Keep falling every time. Don't know if you're teasing me or just being nice, but every time I see you, I keep falling every time. Left me wondering what to do. My head's a mess, just like my bed. Sometimes I'm happy, sometimes I'm sad, but always scared. It's not my bed. Yeah. Every time I see you.
Date number 2, I decided that this box was way too big for dishes and it would just be way too heavy to carry. So I transferred all the dishes that were in here over here. I have a few leftover mugs, but it fits so much better in here and I was able to just pack it tighter so that things don't get broken. So this is much better and it already weighs probably like 40 pounds. So this little box is heavy enough. Alright you guys, I am just currently taking a little lunch break, made a giant salad, and I think that one of the biggest things that people kind of in their habits let falter when they're moving is their eating habits. I feel like because you're moving, life is so busy, it's so easy to just get caught up and go get food out or order food in just because it's easy, and you kind of like let your healthy eating habits fall off. So I have been using the Fabulous app, and today's video is in collaboration with Fabulous. Fabulous is a digital coach or happiness trainer, and basically you can track your goals and just get into better routines using the app. It was developed by Duke University, which I think is so cool, but it uses behavioral science to promote and create habits that are long-lasting. So if you really struggle to form habits, struggle to form routines, this app is for you. So currently I'm doing the celebrating healthy eating journey, and you guys know I am always really into my healthy eating, but I feel like I can just as easily order Uber Eats or like order in, especially when life gets really busy. So I'm using the app to kind of help me stay on track and just positive reminders and a little bit of accountability to keep me on track with my healthy eating and my goals. So some of the other journeys, I'm just going to read some of them to you that might pique your interest a little bit. The basic ones that typically most people start off with are the unexpected journey, which is building a morning routine foundation, a fabulous night, which is a night routine foundation, staying on the road, which just kind of once you've gone through those other ones helps you further your productivity in your day. There's one other thing that I've been loving about the app, which is the Discover section. Basically, it just has a bunch of cute little inspiration quotes, some reminders or other things you can do throughout your day, week that you can screenshot and save, and I think it's so cute. One of my ones for today was this little self-care menu, and you guys know I'm so big on self-care, which is another reason why I love this app, because I think it really promotes self-growth and self-care and just really promotes these healthy habits in a gentle reminder way and helps you stay on track with them. But the self-care menu was like, take a few deep breaths, it costs 5 minutes, stretch your body, it costs 5 minutes, read a chapter of a book, it costs 15 minutes, and I just think that was so cute. But you guys can go check out Fabulos. My link will be down in the description box below. Definitely check out the app, try it out, and if you do, let me know what journey you're going to start or what journey you may already be on, because I'd love to hear your growth and your progress using the app as well. But I'm gonna take my little lunch break, I'm gonna finish eating my salad, and then we're gonna go back and continue packing. My grandma let me know that she had some Rubbermaid containers that I can use, like big giant bins that I'm going to start packing clothes into, so I'm going to get those and start packing probably those after lunch. I think that's the plan. Alright, back for round 2 of trying to put coats into boxes and bins. I have 3 of these like medium-sized red bins now that I'm going to probably do just clothes in these bins and go from there. Alright you guys, red bucket, round 2. I'm gonna start doing clothes from here that I don't need, just any colder weather clothes like coats or like there's big sweaters and stuff that I don't obviously need anymore because it's kind of summer or spring weather now. They will all go into this guy.
Magnificent.
I think I might have underestimated how much clothes and stuff I just actually have, because it looks like I've barely touched my closet when I've already filled another bin. But I have the last bin here and I'm gonna fill it with, try and do all of my shoes that aren't in boxes. I'm hoping I can do all of my shoes just in one bin. That would be lovely. All of my boots and stuff that don't have boxes, or even if I can put more shoes and get rid of some shoe boxes, because I feel like I don't need to be moving shoe boxes with me. And also as I'm like going through my closet and putting things away, I'm like, okay, I don't want this, I'm gonna sell this, or like I'm gonna donate this, like on my clothes and stuff. So I feel like we're getting somewhere. But I'm like sitting looking at all my stuff going, did I order a big enough U-Haul? And like second guessing whether I need to size up a U-Haul or if I should just, you know, get rid of a bunch of stuff, which is probably the better option. But this is moving, guys, and I'm enjoying it, but it's also a little bit stressful because I'm realizing how much stuff I have. Alright you guys, it is 6:30. I'm giving an end of day 1 update. Got all those packed and those 2 red bins there. Wow, when I'm looking at it like this, it doesn't look like a lot of stuff, but at the same time it looks like a lot of stuff. So I finished most of my shoes, all my coats, and most of my dishware. Tomorrow I think we'll tackle the rest of most of my clothes, books, and probably bathroom stuff, but like I said, we're calling it a day for end of packing for day 1. Good morning, y'all. Day 2 of packing. Let's get this started. Apparently all that I want to wear right now is zip up hoodies and black leggings. When I don't know, that's the vibe right now. But I'm thinking I'm going to start with doing books today. I have a few smaller boxes because I don't want to do too many books in one box or it'll just be way too heavy to carry. But we're going to go into my office and start packing up some books. So this whole cupboard is filled with books, and it probably doesn't look like a lot, but there's literally like, this is doubled, so there's probably about 30 to 40 books in here that I have to pack up. And if you guys have been on the vlogs for a while, you know that this is not even half of the books that I own, because most of them are actually at my parents' house that I'm gonna have to pack up and bring at some point. But this is all that I have here with me that I'm going to have to deal with right now. We are back in the closet, so I'm gonna grab my biggest suitcase. From what I remember, I was able to fit all of my pants and shorts in that suitcase previously, so the goal is to try and fit all of my pants and shorts in there again, and then also it's just easy access in case I want pants or shorts in the next 2 weeks. That's what we're gonna try and do, and see if I can fit any other shirts and stuff in that one, and then like try and fit most of my tops in the medium one, and then the small one I'll figure it out from there. So I actually managed to fit all of my pants in the giant suitcase. So this drawer is completely empty. Got all my pants off there, got my jean baskets, and I even got rid of a few pairs. And there's still a little bit of space left. I can obviously fit some things in the pockets. I think I might start throwing some socks, maybe some bigger socks, like winter socks that I don't wear in there. Yeah, but I'm just gonna try and fill this suitcase so that it's completely full. Packing update, the pile has kind of doubled since yesterday, so those 2 boxes are new. There's one underneath there that's new, the one on top, the 2 little ones, and that big one, and then my giant suitcase that's filled with pants. I feel like this is all I'm gonna get done for today because I'm kind of exhausted. I'm gonna end off today's vlog here because it's starting to get late, and honestly I'm exhausted from packing. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully I will see you all in the next video. We are so close to moving. I'm getting like so excited, it's so close, but hopefully I will see you all in the next video, and I love you all so much. Bye!